Hey folks! Welcome to Channel 73. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this series of tutorials will guide you through the essential concepts of Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language that emphasizes readability and ease of use. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. The name was inspired from the BBC TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Its clean and readable syntax, combined with its versatility and vast ecosystem of libraries, makes it suitable for a wide variety of programming tasks. Let us have a look at the key features of Python and understand what makes it one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python was designed with a strong emphasis on code readability. It uses indentation, or whitespace, to define code blocks instead of braces, or keywords like begin and end. This makes the code visually clean and easy to understand. Python's syntax is clear and concise, allowing developers to write fewer lines of code for the same functionality compared to other programming languages. Python is an interpreted language, which means the code is executed line by line at runtime. There is no need for a separate compilation step, making development faster and easier for debugging. Python is dynamically typed, meaning that variables do not require explicit type declarations. The interpreter determines the type of the variable at runtime. Python comes with a rich standard library that includes modules and packages. Working with file input or output, regular expressions, networking, databases, and so much more are very easy. This allows developers to perform a wide range of tasks without needing third-party libraries. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented programming, procedural programming, and functional programming. This flexibility allows developers to choose the best paradigm for a given task. Python has a large and active community of developers, making it easy to find resources, tutorials, and open-source libraries. Popular libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Django, and TensorFlow have significantly extended Python's capabilities. Python can be run on a variety of hardware platforms, making it a good choice for building cross-platform applications. Code written in Python can be executed on any platform without any modifications. Now that we have an idea of the key features of Python, let us look at some of the common applications. Python is widely used for building web applications. Frameworks such as Django, Flask, and FastAPI help developers create scalable and secure web applications quickly. With libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy, Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow, Python has become a dominant language for data science, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It is used for processing data, performing statistical analysis, building machine learning models, or deep learning models, and visualizing data. Python is often used for automating repetitive tasks and scripting. You can write Python scripts to perform tasks like file management, web scraping, and data extraction from websites or using APIs. While Python may not be as fast as other languages like C++ in game development, it is still used for creating simple 2D games and for prototyping. The Pygame library is a popular tool for building games with Python. Python's standard library includes support for working with sockets, HTTP requests, and other networking protocols. Python is a top choice for scientific computing and research. Libraries such as SciPy, NumPy, and SymPy make it easy to perform complex mathematical operations, simulations, and analyses. In the next tutorial, let us explore programming with Python. Until next time, happy learning!